This is a report of my progress from prototype to plugin on UNav3D, a plugin that allows character traversal and AI pathing along walls and ceilings, including along complex mesh intersections. And that's the point of this map, is I have a bunch of meshes, including, say, this candy cane and this log, which are all intersecting each other in very different ways in order to test how well the nav meshes generate, given a bunch of complicated cases. So one of the major additions to the plugin compared to the prototype is that I added a bounds volume, just like the Unreal Engine built-in bounds volume for AI navigation. What this does is any mesh group inside this box will turn into a nav mesh. So this will generate 1, 2, 3 nav meshes, or actually 4, including this one down here. And so if I hit this button, it's going to cold load the data and process everything. It's going to be generating the nav meshes. It should only take a few seconds, though it will be faster because it's currently only running in a single thread. So now that it's done, if I hide the meshes that were inside the box, I can show what was generated. So you can see here that just like Unreal Engine's nav mesh, the nav mesh ends at the bounds box, and that was an important feature to me, both because the nav mesh shouldn't take up more space than it needs to, and because the math necessary to generate this cross section is the same math necessary to generate intersections between the meshes. So you can see here anything green is an outward facing normal and will be pathable by characters and AI. And anything purple is an inside normal face, is an inside face. And if we go inside a mesh, we can actually see the continuity at work. I'm going to speed up the camera a little bit. So if we show the meshes here, we can see that this hollow log is intersecting with this hollow log. And if I go inside this face, you can see this intersection goes all the way through. But now if I hide, you can see this intersection becomes continuous along the inside, which on the outside translates to a mesh that can be used to easily generate a navigable graph. See, all this candy cane became just a little cavity inside, and I went from one side of the other, one side of the log to the other side. In any case, yep, that is my current progress.